Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to sell background colors in Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Microsoft Excel software. Then you can open your Excel spreadsheet. Now you can see here are my Excel spreadsheet. Now insert cell background color on this sheet. At first, select a cell. Then drag on your mouse to select this all cell. Then go to home menu. Then you can see here are fill color drop down menu. Then click this fill color drop down and choose any color. Now you can choose blue. Now you can see I insert cell background color in Excel very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.